Okay, good news, I've got the dust extractor in, but when I say in, I sort of mean just in the box. So next up, now I've made a space, undo this and see what's inside, and hopefully I can make sense of it. Right, let's get cracking. Ready for the opening. I've been sitting looking at this box for over a week, and it's time to open it up and see what's what. What I find incredible is that this cost me only a little bit more than what it would be to buy a normal household Hoover. In fact, some Hoovers cost more than this. So, for a workshop, it's a no-brainer, isn't it? Why suffer with a little Hoover when you can get one of these bad boys? Right, anyway, let's get cracking. See, civilised use scissors. Da, da, da. Oh mate, there looks like lots of screws and stuff. There's lots of screws, no space. Oh, wheels. Right, this is fun. What the hell have we got here? We have got some sort of gasket, some clips, got a big long bar, unusual, wheels, casters, whatever you want to call them, instructions, that can go, picture book, that's what we want, picture book, because otherwise I'll have to learn how to read. A bag of nuts and bolts, and that looks like it on the top shelf, so we'll whip that one off. Whoa. And I'm going to move that over here out of the way, if there isn't out of the way. Right, and we're back to the bare bones. Oh, it just looks interesting. Right, oh, put the scissors over there. We have another bag of bits. Oh my god, this looks frightening. Connectors and brackets. That's one bit. A lovely white canvas bag. They ain't going to stay white very long, is it? One of them, or two of them. Some more plastic bits. Look like fun. Don't know what the hell that is. An handle. Okay. Another bit of metal. And another bit of metal. Right, let's go and put these bits with the others. Let's see what else we've got. Am I doing this too fast? Because you all know what bit we want to look at. Right, let's get this bag and my super handle and this bag of stuff. Right. They make it look so easy on YouTube when I get these. This is terrifying the life out of me. And I've just found another bit of metal stuffed down the side. So we've got three of them, but oh, there's another bit under. My god, there's another layer. Oh no. What else is down that side? Anything? No. It looks like I might have another bit of metal slipped under the bottom. Glad they ain't bit. My kids have been jumping all over this box. Right, there were the big bits. Whoa, a hose. That's a short hose. Oh, there's another one inside it. I take it that's supposed to go inside it. Oh, loads of clips and stuff in here, straps. Now I'm getting terrified. That's sexy, I like the colour. Right, a big bit of that with all them bits inside, look. Oh God, terrified. Right, we'll move that over here. Right, what's next? Haha. God, this is wrapped up well. Not. Oh, mate, that's heavy. And here we go, the blower. Standard plug. Excellent. Now this is supposed to have 2 ports, evidently. But to tell you something, it is heavy. Oh. I'm going to put that down here somewhere. Oh, crikey. Don't want to get it scratched. Right. Big chunk of polystyrene, and there's a big metal plate in the bottom. Oh dear. Wow. We got one of these. Hey. I take it that's the starting point at the bottom of the box. That makes sense, doesn't it? Put the bits we need first at the bottom of the box, I betcha. Right, we'll whip that out. Give this box to my kids. They love a box. All the toys in the world, but this box will be more to my kids than anything, because they love a box. Nuts. I know what I'd have rather had when I was a kid, and it certainly weren't a box. It's what's in the box. But my kids will love this box. They will play with it for hours on end, and then they'll get the scissors out or the bread knife, and then they'll cut big holes in it and make a terrible mess. So maybe I might not give them the box. Shall I be cruel or shall I be kind? Well, 15 kids. I've been kind quite a lot of the time. Yeah, I'll give them the box. Oh, there you go, that'll make them happy. And they'll all jump in it, scream and shout and fight over it, saying it's their box, holes in it first. But it'll be a bit of fun for them. In the meantime, I'm going to have a bit of fun, and I'm going to have a look at the picture book and see how we start putting this together. So catch up with you in a minute after I've had a cup of coffee, give the kids a box, and we'll get cracking. See you soon. Right, I weren't kidding when I said it was a picture book, because we've got lots of lovely pictures in it. That one don't look too lovely, looks a bit complicated to me, but there you go. What do I know? Crikey. There's a load of numbers on the back and all. That don't mean nothing to me. Right, we'll put that one down. Right, 2 horsepower dust collector, model Fox F50 842. Let's get cracking and have a look. Number 1, unpacking and checking. Well, it ain't no point in reading that because we've unpacked and checked it already. Assembly. Let's get the plate out, that big one that I said, in the bottom of the box. Stick it together with the wheels, then stick the blower on it. Alright, that's the 4th picture. I presume you use the nuts and bolts. Then, them 3 strange bits of metal, they get stuck on it. Then the round drum, then another bit of plastic with a nose, then the bags, then fit the hose, and hey presto, we have a dust collector. So, them pictures look great. Oh, there's bits about electric there, don't need to know, but as long as I can plug it in I don't care. And then we've got another one of them sexy pictures. So, sounds like a doddle to me. Let's get cracking. Start with a big plate and stick the wheels on it, I suppose. Right, I've got the plate upside down on a bit of timber each side to keep it off the floor. Scratch it up. Let's get the wheels out. One, two. Don't know why it needs wheels. I don't suppose we're going to be wheeling it anywhere. There you go. Nice looking nuts. Couple of washers. I suppose one on the bottom, one on the top. Stick that in there. Not let it fly. Washer, grippy washer, and then that. One wheel. I'll do them up in a minute. Put it on upside down. There you go. Why they told me to turn it upside down, that was just to confuse me. See, you don't read it, you look at the pictures. Right. Why on earth would you turn it upside down? What a stupid thing to do. Right. Ignore the instructions. Because I'm pretty sure that this is the underside. So, nut, wheel, washer, inside, washer, another washer, and a nut. Now that's got to make more sense. Why would you turn it upside down when the nut's on the top? Stupid. Right. We'll put it up the right way. Instructions. I'll probably do it all wrong. Right. That's got to be easy to put it that way up. Washer. Next washer. And then last one. I'll show you what they give me close. Here, look. We've got the nut on it. One of them sexy little grippy washers. A normal washer, another washer on there. So why would you put it upside down? What would be the thinking behind that? But it's easier to just pop it through and do the nut up on the top. These are my dad's spanners and they're English ones. And I guarantee you they're going to be metric. Metric and imperial, this one. Wheels on. There we go. So, now, move it around that way. Next, the big heavy thing. It appears that the number 6 bolt and the number 4 washer is transferred to a letter. So I suppose we're just going to have to guess. Right, I found this. This gets bolted to that, and then that motor blower gets fixed to this and the base, because it's got half a bracket fixed to that and then this one. So we'll bolt this one down. Now this plate's already threaded, so can't imagine us wanting to use too big a screw. Hang on, hang on, hang on. No, we've done it right. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's the bracket on. Oh. Now, this is heavy. This is absolutely ridiculous. It says a number 2 is a F50 82002. Now what the hell does that mean? I'm getting too old for this. Right then, we've got that bracket bolted down. And these two, there's one on each side. Yeah, they're bolted down. 4 little bolts along here that hold the motor to the bracket, and the same the other side. So that's all that. That is all now. Wheels fitted and the blower fitted. So we're winning. Right. So now that's all screwed to that. Next up, they're saying put this in on the top of the blower with this rubber gasket. So I would imagine the flat side goes against this and the little ribs go against the metal, I would have thought. So we'll stick that on. And here we go. Alright, let's get these nuts done up. Job done. Okay, next up, fit these long bits of metal on it. And that's that. Alright, let's have a look, see what we've got to do next. Right, so we've got to fit this on. Now this, I presume, goes towards that. We've got these black things and they've got like a curve on them. They're going to go against there and then against this. So I suppose it's a bit of a juggling act now. So I'll try one first. Let's see how we go. Be a 2-man job this bit. Just a little bit. Bit wobbly, but there you go. I wonder where the handle goes. I do know what I've got to do next. I've got to go and make the wife a cup of coffee because she's phoned me 4 times pestering me. So I'll be back in a minute. Right, the wife's had a cup of coffee. Happy wife, happy life. I found out where the handle goes. And it goes on here. And we have an handle which we can pull it about on my wheels. How about that? Super sexy. Right, what's next? Right, made a bit of a pig's ear of something, but this has got to go on here before you do it up. So I'll have to whip these two out, because after I saw the picture it then said you've got to stick this in there. Alright, that's that bit done. Let's hope there's no more tricks involved. Okay, right, next up it says connect this to these with these clamps. So we'll give it a whirl. Put the clamp on there first. Give that a wiggle on as far as it goes, I suppose. Getting closer, looking good. Can't wait to start sucking up some rubbish. Lovely jubbly. Starting to look like something now. Okay, next up, it says hang these lovely bags. And one of them has got an hook. The other one ain't got an hook, so that must be on the bottom. But it's made of the same stuff as this. Now that's going to be the collector bit. Now I don't know about that because I thought it was like a plastic bag, so I don't know how much fun I'm going to have emptying that sack each time. But I suppose that's the part of learning, isn't it? So I've never had one of these before, new toy. So we'll look this up and see how we do it. There's little holes in this. Look, you can stick your finger in it. Now we're going to get one of these lovely super duper straps, and I'm hoping you can poke it through. Now I'm getting right in a pickle. That looks like it. Now you've got to do the same again to the bottom. So I'll move the camera down a bit and you can watch me make a pig's ear, that one and all. Here we go. Let's hope this one goes in a bit easier. Yes, look at that. Steamrolling through that one. Be a shame to get them dirty, wouldn't it? I'll have to let the missus wash these. She'll love that. That one out. And close it in. Job done. Very pretty. And it's all on. So, I think nearly there. Before we can switch it on and it goes. So, hey, get on with the next bit. Right. So, next up, and it looks like the last operation pretty much, nearly, on the actual assembly, is fit this. Now it's got 2 ports, and it says that you can have both of these open at the same time. So you could use 2 machines at once. But I've only got one thing in mind at the moment for my table saws. So I'll have to rig up all that and I'll show you how I do that when I get to it. But yeah, so we're going to come off one first. Obviously it's going to grow, this system, as I get my workshop more developed and know where I want things. I mean, it's only took me 10 years, well no more than that, 13 years to finally get in this workshop. So as I say, with 15 kids you don't get a lot of time and you don't get much help. So we'll get this last bit on and then we'll plug it in. Right, that's that one. I've got this super stretchy angled hose, lovely. And I suppose that'll pop on there. So I'll have to get some more of this. Then we've got another clip. Job done. Right, we're ready to finally plug it in. So here we go. We'll plug it in. Now I've got to sort out the electrics because I've got to run all new wiring in. But we'll put that on there like that. 3, 2, 1, go. It's starting to fill up. That was pretty quick. Not that noisy. That's compressing the pipe. Right, I've discovered the problem already. The bag hooks on the hook up there. When you turn it on, it fills up lovely. But if you put any sort of stress over this to block it, like if you had a lot of sawdust you were sucking up, that starts to deflate and it comes off the hook. So I'll show you. Starts to fill up. Lovely. watch. Wait for it, and it's fell off. So I'm not impressed with that. Look, it's fallen off. So we're going to have to think of something. Right, well, I've stuck an electrical tie on it around that pipe. It's still loose enough you can take it off if you wanted to, but I think it's strong enough to hold it on there. So I should cut that down a bit, but let's have a little test, see if it works. Lift up. And I think that is a job well done. So pat on the back to me. So thank you for watching that. My experience with a dust collector. And I shall show you more as I progress. But that should be it for today. Oh no, let's go and have a look, see how they're getting on with the box. See you next time. And don't forget, if you like it, and you can always subscribe. So from me now, Gary Adams, see you later, have fun.
Found it in the field. We keep it. No, thank you.
The baby's shut in the box. Pandora's shut the box.
Hannah, pick the box.
Who's in the box?